So I do a little video about felt paper. So to felt paper or not felt paper underneath shingles. So first of all, the shingles I'm putting on right now are harder than the original shingles. These are PA black slate. These are on the New York-Vermont border. These are harder slate. And it's more silica oxide, I think is what it is. Tougher, lasts longer. Plus the black absorbs the heat more, I would suspect, than this will. Might be another factor. So the thing is, these have been on 100 years. And, well, over 100 years. And I'm pulling out the slate, and we have this felt paper underneath, and it just disintegrates. I mean, it's already disintegrated underneath the shingles, and as you pull it out, it just breaks right apart and crumbles into nothing. Now, did it hurt anything? Probably not. It's kind of a nuisance when you go to, you're cleaning out underneath here to put the new slate in. You got to get it out. So it's kind of a nuisance there. Otherwise, it's not that bad. I suppose if you're going to put it on and then so you're shedding some water by the time you put the slate on, that's one factor. But even then, I question that because it's harder to, walk on the roof to see where the boards are, so you don't put a nail right in the crack. I like seeing where the boards are. I like seeing, is there a knot there? If this is where the nail goes and there's a knot, then I'm going to drill another hole a little higher and put it in there. Or maybe slant my nail. But slanting's not a great idea either because then you don't get a flush head. So I like to see the boards. I am not a component of felt paper. And I'm definitely against the petroleum-based products such as, I think they call it Ice Guard. Obviously, I've never used it. I've tore off roofs that had it on, and it was just demolished. I mean, and it wasn't even 20 years old. So I think that's just wasting money, too. But, I guess people would have the idea that maybe they're watertight while it's while they're putting the roof on, but that's up to you. That's just my 2 cents on the whole topic.